We're back at the Torres Empire Car Show and Hop with another video of Lowrider Blvd. Make sure you guys stay tuned, check it out. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Now let's get to it.
Let's go. Oh, forward. 3. Come on, man. You guys didn't jump. Hey, be careful. You guys got beer in your hands and all that. Be careful, all right? 3, 2. Let's boogie. Come on.
What's going on, everybody? We're inside the hop pit. The hops are about to start. Let's check it out. But for us right now, we're just cooking.
Man, we got a pioneer shot already. Get your cameras ready. Representing Hopaholics Hydraulics. That's how you started off at Torres. On the bumper, on the toes. They travel state to state. We out here in Vegas putting in that work. He gonna hit his own switch. He must have been hanging out with Torres Empire.
Probably, I'm probably gonna leave after Cracker, Chris, and Weddle. He's not gonna fucking backs up now.
This is what Sam Torres does on the weekend. You already know Torres Empire got one of these at home in the garage. I don't never want to be in the spotlight next to this guy. Represent Team High Knowledge on the fleet. Oh, yeah, looks like he has a panic attack or something. The 2 red phones are still talking about going on. Man, that's like an angry baby daddy right there where you hit that part. Man, that's what I'm talking. Get straight to the business.
Damn.
All right, we got high class taking off. High class on the bumper, y'all. Okay. We on the bumper. Right there. There you go. There you go. Right, get your cameras ready. There we go. Represents Reno, Nevada. Out here in his home state doing work. Sunshine with Street Fame on the bumper. Oh, okay. I think Archie was just nervous. Let me know you're ready, Rick. I think that was Panda. what I'm talking about. Y'all do your job and hold it. You got this. You're about to buy Panda's books right now. Okay, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Individuals in the building. He did that. You're about to buy a 62 though. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. The 62. Oh yeah, that look good right there. That look good. Yeah, he stopped it. He stopped it on. Oh, this motherfucker crazy. You know they crazy. They don't give a damn. I told y'all boys, just dip and be working. This is what they do. Team how high? Okay, I knew it was something. I knew it was something. Everybody kneel down, kneel down. There you go, Frank. Arizona is a legend out here putting in work and scoring. All right, watch out, watch out. He's a damn sure can't drive. He's getting ready to run all y'all over. This is pickle number 2. I refuse to call him what his daddy called him. So I'm gonna call him. All right, Pickle, there you go. There you stay. You should have. Oh, Pickle. There you go. We gonna make it work. We gonna figure it out. We at least gonna try. All right, we got the first lady of Big High Low. She gonna catch it. There it goes. All right, here we go. Get your cameras ready. Okay. Okay. Y'all get ready to buy everybody back there. Then you gonna kill everybody. We got a nice street single out here. Okay, y'all didn't jump it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. See, what you should have did, you should have stopped. He said he wasn't happy with 70 inches. No, they said you should have been. They said you should have stuck what you got. Let's go. We got one of the highest in the game, all the way from the Midwest. The murder hoarder is out here working. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Going down, going down. All right. We got some Mr. Midwest Junior out here on the street. Ooh, aggressive. Y'all do realize this is a kid. Oh yeah. Nice and easy. Las Vegas big dog. There you go, Dan. That's what I'm talking about. High hitters doing what high hitters does. Sitting into the moon. Okay, yeah. We in the air. Okay. Oh! Okay. Oh yeah, he did that. He did that. He did that. That's what I'm talking about. Let me. I'm sorry. They said 125 ain't gonna get it. They gonna get it later.
Alright guys, this was the Torres Empire Car Show and Super Hop out here in Las Vegas 2024. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop me a comment, turn on your notification bell. Especially subscribe, it's totally free. See you guys next time.